Welcome everyone to my new video presentation for Polkadot price prediction and technicals for late July 2024, guys. Let's talk about it in a nutshell. What's happening after for the last 2 days we have been retracing, even though the spot ETF has been awaited, it has been approved and listed, and the expectancies from community members, especially in the alts, were totally different than what we saw. And this is usually how the markets are enjoying putting together the numbers to make you feel basically disappointed. Your disappointments are going to generate certain actions that are very beneficial for the market makers and the exchanges, which is why things are put together to be like this. If it's not you, it's others that are doing actions based on emotions, based on instincts, and they are just creating opportunities for the big players around. Now, what's happening on Polkadot, especially today, on the daily charts, is something that I like to touch bases on. It is touching a line of significant support, which we should not lose, even though there is selling pressure existing right here, especially for the BTC and Ethereum side after increasing on the price section. And there is a lot of the room for retests of the wick, which is something that I, keep talking about it. Usually the markets get into those wicks to take some more liquidity out before they go aggressively into the desired direction. So the question still remains right there, whether they would like to take the volume from there and then just fly, or simply that is no longer going to be touched for the moment. We would prefer not to be touched. We would prefer to see a reaction on a higher level to establish a higher low. Even though this is not looking like a low, it's a key level. It's not looking like a low compared, for example, to this level, right? So it's not something that we usually categorize as a low that stands out. It's definitely a market retracement on a minor scale, on a micro perspective of 2 days, with a key level reaction necessarily on that support line existent that you broke out, so you don't want to get back, by the way. Now, the first thing that you gotta do is, simply, there is a level here with a triple reaction in the highs that's quite powerful resistance. You just want to break out of the whole picture here, get out of this $6.6 and close the daily above 6.6. This is the first target everyone needs to consider, everyone needs to start thinking about on Polkadot. Get us on a daily close above 6.6. Make sure you get some strong candlesticks and create a form of patterns in the indicators as well that would indicate domination from there. So at the end of the day, once this picture is pretty much going to be built, you are going for the high supply. High supply is going to be on 7.7, and from there you could actually retrace, because there are so many opportunities to be bullish at the end of the day by forming strong higher lows compared to the wick we had down to the $5, right? So then you're going to have an opportunity to transform your 6.6 in your new higher low, which opens the doors for discussion to retest the $9.5, $10 mark. Without those things, you don't have any form of objective representation of a prediction towards $9.5, $10 without building it step by step. As you already know, my technical analysis and price predictions that we're talking about here are based on probability rates, which is the only way to talk about it. That means we're taking it step by step, and each contextual situation has its own probability rate that you, as a trader or as a person taking care about, that specific world of trading, needs to keep in mind. Enjoy, folks. That's where we are right now. There is no other things that I should tell you. It's a quite straightforward video on the topic. If you enjoyed, make sure to like this one, subscribe, let me know your thoughts. We also have, day trading episodes, which are live on my channel. You see that episode number 9 right there. We got episode, was in number 8. We put together whatever we, get as a result, profits, losses, and all that stuff. They're out here to inspire people. By the way, if you want to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees, just a commission from the pure profits we make. Totally done for you with API trading. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. And also there is the opportunity for education directly with me, one-on-one, live, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. This is a coaching program, and you can find out more on our page. Enjoy. Have a good time.